Everyone's talking about AI taking jobs, but here's the truth: some IT careers are not only safe from AI, but they're also in high demand and pay six figures or more. Today, we'll cover 5 high-paying IT jobs that AI will never replace. First, cybersecurity specialists. As long as hackers exist, humans are needed to outthink and outsmart them. AI can detect threats, but it can't replace the creativity and intuition required to stop cyber attacks in real time. Second, project managers. AI can't manage people, resolve conflicts, or understand business goals the way a human can. Companies will always need skilled managers to lead teams and deliver complex IT projects. Third, cloud architects. Businesses are moving everything to the cloud: data, apps, and entire infrastructures. While AI can help automate cloud processes, it takes a human architect to design, optimize, and scale cloud systems securely. Fourth, ethical hackers. Companies pay huge salaries for experts who can legally break into their systems to expose weaknesses before criminals do. AI can't fully mimic the unpredictable methods of a human hacker. And fifth, data privacy and compliance officers. With strict laws like GDPR and CCPA, businesses need humans to interpret regulations, make judgment calls, and ensure data is handled ethically. This role combines IT, law, and human decision-making, something AI can't replace. So, while AI is changing the IT industry, these 5 careers, cybersecurity, project management, cloud architecture, ethical hacking, and data privacy, are future-proof, high-paying, and always in demand. Which of these careers interests you most? Comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career insights.